How to cancel NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To cancel your NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. From your computer, go to tv.youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. In the upper right corner, click your profile picture, then select Settings. Step 3. Under Memberships, find your NFL Sunday ticket membership and click Manage. Step 4. Next to your next billing date, click Cancel. Step 5. Tap Yes, Cancel to confirm the cancellation. You will receive a confirmation email once the renewal is cancelled. So that's how you can cancel your NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. That's all for this video.